So this is a unboxing of something that I've received today, and let me just open and see what is inside. Okay, let me open it. Oh, what's that? Something like a filter. Baader oxygen 3 filter, 2-inch. Oh, oxygen 3. I had a 1.25-inch one for those eyepieces, but this one is a 2-inch. So let's open it completely. So this is a Baader filter. If you are interested to know, I should explain it actually. Baader is a new brand which was created after the collapse of the Berlin Wall, and yeah, the communist regime in the communist government of the East Germany collapsed. They say betrayal by the Gorbachev. What happened was that during the communist times, you know that they were building many quality products. I have used it in the school when I was in the school. Those products never had def, not like the Apple or anything that you buy products. They have a sell-by date. They never had def. So when the Berlin Wall collapsed, Zeiss, Jena, which was in the East Germany, was acquired by the West German capitalists, and they discovered a vast amount of research and products made available by Carl Zeiss Jena in the East Germany, and including many different kind of coatings, metal oxide coatings that actually could be used for different kind of filters. And that's the reason we have a storm of the top quality lenses and eyepieces and telescopes and mechanical products for telescopes and filters, all coming from the research of the communist government when the communist government was in rule in the East Germany. But because of the sanctions, or didn't buy, the Americans didn't let them encourage the economy of those countries by buying from them. They put really harsh sanction of everyone that they don't favor. They were not much known, and now we are lucky that we have all this research by the scientists in the Eastern Bloc made available to us, to the rest of the world actually, sold at very high prices actually. West Germany, whatever you can say about them, is something is true about them, that they are not cheap. Everything they sell is expensive. And now we go for opening this one. So the good thing is that they opened this packaging, also probably from East Germany, communist times, is opening like a drawer. That's the filter. If you look through it, that's the oxygen light. You see everything green. That picks up all the oxygen light in, for example, in M42 nebula or any kind of emission nebula. You will see through this very clearly, and because they are also having that wavelength of oxygen ionized 3 times. So really good, and I'm happy that I bought this. Just needs a little bit blowing air into it to clean it, and I will do that with a pump.